Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we'll be discussing quadratic equation by completing the square method. Remember when we in our previous quadratic equation class we said we have four methods of solving quadratic equation. The first one, the factorization method, we have done with it. The completing the square, the formula method, and the graphical method. So today we are going to be looking at completing the square method. So to solve the equation we have on the board, the equation we have on the board is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equals 0. We'll first of all move 3 to this side. Observe, I am moving 3 to the other side to have it as 3. Now, I will not make what I have here a perfect square. Now, making that a perfect square, remember the first step is to divide through by 2. So if you divide through by 2, you have x squared minus 5 over 2x equal to 3 over 2. Now, we identify the coefficient of x, which is minus 5 over 2. That is minus 5 over 2. Take half of it. Taking half of it means, and then square. That will give me minus 4, minus 5 over 4 all squared. Okay, that will, so I am having x squared minus 5x 5 over 2x plus minus 5 over 4 all squared. I'm going to be adding it to both sides, so I'll be having this plus again minus 5 over 4 all squared. Now we are doing this because this is an equation. We need to add to both sides. Okay, so let's continue. So in fact, the easiest way, this makes our work very easy because in order to factorize this, we simply take the x, observe, I'm taking the x with the sign inside this, minus 5 over 4, because this has become a perfect square, all squared. And that will give me 3 over 2 plus minus 25 squared will give me 25 over, sorry, minus 5 squared will give me 25, and 4 squared will give me 16. Now, I will now solve this. So I'm having x minus 5 over 4 all squared to be equal to, LCM of that is 16. 2 divides 16 is 8. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 should be 24. Plus 16 divides 16 1 times 25 is 25. So I am having x minus 5 over 4 all squared to be equal to, this should give me 49 over 16. Now I'm now going to take the square root of both sides to have, if I take the square root of this, I also take the square root of this, it will give me plus or minus. So I have x minus 5 over 4 to be equal to, square we cancel square root, or square root cancel square, so that I have plus or minus 49 over 16. The plus or minus is coming from the fact that every polynomial of degree 2 or the second degree will always have 2 roots. Every quadratic equation always have 2 roots. So we have x, taking minus 5 over 4 to this side, you give me plus 5 over 4 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7, square root of 16 is 4. So now I have x to be 5 over 4 plus or minus 7 over 4. Now to solve this, we can say either x is equal to 5 over 4 plus 7 over 4, or x is equal to 5 over 4 minus 7 over 4. So that I will have the LCM is 4, 5 plus 7, or x equal to 5 minus 7. So 5 plus 7 will give me 12 over 4. That is x. Or x equal to 5 minus will give me minus 2 over 4. So this will give me 3, or minus 1 over 2. So that is the value for x. Okay. And with that, we have come to the end of today's class. Watch more videos for better understanding. Thanks, and remain blessed. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.